Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to send emails to multiple recipients using Python. We'll be using the smtp library for handling the SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, connections, and the email library for creating and formatting the email content. Before you begin, make sure you have. Start by importing the necessary libraries for sending emails. Configure your SMTP server settings. Replace the placeholder values with your own SMTP server details. Create the email content using the myMultipart class and set the from, to, subject, and body fields. Establish a connection to your SMTP server and send the email. Make sure to handle exceptions gracefully to capture any errors that may occur during the email sending process. That's it. You have successfully sent an email to multiple recipients using Python. This basic example can be extended to include attachments, HTML content, or more advanced features based on your specific requirements. Make sure to secure your email credentials and consider using application-specific passwords for increased security. ChatGPT.